You will be broke forever if you're a web developer, because this AI tool can now generate perfect websites with just one click of a button. No coding, no tech skills, and it takes less than 2 minutes to set this up. But most people make this one very common mistake that really holds them back. So I'm going to share that with you in a second. But first of all, here's what Forbes said about building websites and why every business, according to Forbes, should have a website. According to Forbes, having a website can be a make or break for generating more revenue online. And if you don't want to take their words for it, I've personally spent hundreds of thousands of dollars over the last few years building my personal websites. And to be honest, the websites that I built, that I invested in, yielded hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit over time. But I didn't know that I didn't actually have to spend so much money, or at least it didn't exist at the time. This AI tool that can now pretty much do that for me with just one click of a button. You see, if you go to 10